Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find guys where the oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, heater, fuses and relays are located on Mercedes GLC guys, this generation right here. If you want to see where these fuses are located, if you have problems with the O2 oxygen sensor, heater, please do not waste any money on parts, tools and diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that guys, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, heater guys, we'll explain which fuses and relays you need to check, but always test it before buying a new one. If you don't know how to test oxygen sensor, we'll have videos on the channel that will guys teach you how to do that step by step. What about the fuses and relays? Okay, we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the passenger door. In the passenger side food well compartment here, okay, you're going to have a cover. Open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here today we'll be working guys on multiple fuses. All these are for engine management. It's hard to tell exactly which one it is, but we need to test all of them. The first one is fuse 315 right here. Test that fuse right there. Next, we need to open the hood. Under the hood guys, here on the driver's side you have that cover. Open it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. We need to check specifically here fuse 122 and 126. These two fuses here will need to be checked. Check relay G. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit so it could fit. Relay G is right here, and relay J. You have relay J and O under that cover. This one right here on top will be relay J. You will need to check that one too, that integrated relay. And we're not done guys. Here under the hood on the left side you see that's the positive jump starter terminal. If you open the cover, underneath this is a built-in pre-fuse box. Okay, that's the back side. You have multiple cables going through it, and if you open it, it will look something like that. You will have multiple fuses built into it. Depending on the year and model, you have two different kinds. This is the first kind. You will need to check fuse number 3 in that one, but since you're already there, check all of these fuses. Okay, and check guys also. Okay, if you have that kind, you need to check fuse number 5, but test all of them again. Now, we still have another one in the trunk. Open the trunk, lift the cargo cover up. Underneath here you have that cover. Open it, and that's the trunk fuse box. The trunk fuse box, main fuse box. Here we need to check fuse 400. Now 442 right here, and 451. Super important fuses as well, guys. All these fuses will need to be checked if you have problems with that sensor, and always test the sensor as well before buying a new one. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.